This morning, the U.S. surpassing 13 million confirmed coronavirus cases, with 1.1 million of those patients added in just the past 7 days, according to the COVID Tracking Project. That means every single minute, 114 Americans now testing positive for the virus.
We've seen an increase in the number of people, more symptomatic people, coming to all our sites requesting testing. So that's a change from several months before.
On Friday, more than 90,000 Americans hospitalized with COVID, breaking the record for the 17th day in a row. Health officials in Indiana say the number of patients there has increased by more than 100% the last month alone.
All but one of these patients have COVID on this unit. It's a 13-bed unit, and we are completely full up here.
The situation also dire in Minnesota, where the number of patients with COVID has jumped 145% since November 1st.
So many are dealing with the impact of isolation, that they're finding it really difficult to be alone, and often to be alone without somebody that they love or the person who supported them most.
Nationwide, more than 264,000 people succumbing to the virus, leaving empty chairs at dinner tables this Thanksgiving, and fears of another wave after millions ignored CDC advice and traveled for the holiday weekend. Now those same people heading home, experts warning this could cause a surge on top of the surge already underway.
What we don't want to see is yet another surge superimposed upon the surge that you just described, which we'll realize 3.5 weeks from now.
Yet in the midst of the pandemic, Black Friday lacking most of its traditional chaos as shoppers headed to stores across the country.
The crowds are definitely a lot smaller. Everyone's wearing a mask.
Many instead opting to do their shopping online. The National Retail Federation saying this year non-store sales could top $218 billion. Christine Sloan, ABC News, New York.